Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff, and if you were to ask me which zero commission broker do I like best between Webull, M1 Finance, and Robinhood, well, I would not be able to give you an answer. They all serve their own purpose, and they all do a very good job at what they do. Like, for example, Robinhood is really good for me for, like I said, call options and put options. It's also good to go long on stocks, but I mostly use Robinhood just to play options. M1 Finance is great, like I said, because of the fractional share buying, and they have an outstanding, probably the best referral plan out there right now, where they pay $25 a month every time you refer somebody. The fractional share buying is awesome. Like I said, you can get into the most expensive stocks on a fractional basis without having to spend $1,600 or $1,700 on a share of Amazon, or spending $1,100 or $1,200 on a share of Google. You can just buy $10 or $20 of those stocks at a time. And then it brings me to Webull. Okay, now Webull, of all three of these brokers, I actually spend the most time on Webull. Now, that does not mean I like Webull better than the other ones, but I think they do have the best research tools. They have the most comprehensive and easy to use dividend platform. And like I said, the paper trading and some of the more advanced options like the level 2 charting, I spend the most time researching on Webull, okay? And so in today's video, guys, we're going to talk about Webull's referral program. It just got a bit better. I just found out about this 2 days ago. Kind of wish I would have made a video sooner, but I got my head wrapped around it. I've read through it really well, have a good understanding of it. And like I said, guys, M1 Finance just took the game to the next level. Like I said, offering $25 for every referral. And now Webull has stepped their game up to the next level as well. So let's jump over there and get into that quick. So I logged into my Webull, guys. Of course, I got an email explaining this referral program, but if you just log into your Webull account, you will see this notice up on the top of your watch list. Right here, guys, it says the referral program has updated. Now, I bring this to your attention not just for my benefit, but for yours as well. If you already have a Webull account, like I said, you can invite your friends. You can use these links on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, anywhere you want. If you have a YouTube channel, you can use them on there as well. It's just an extension of the already in place referral program, okay? So let's click on this and jump over there and kind of break it down what's going on. So when you click on that, it is going to bring up this screen right here, guys, the Refer a Friend, Get a Stock program. But what I really want to concentrate, guys, is this bottom box down here. So, of course, this has been the referral program that's been intact for quite a while now. So, step 1 is share your referral link with a friend and have them sign up. And then step 2, once your friend's account has been approved, you and your friend will each claim a free stock valued between $300 and $300. Now, this is where the game has changed. This is where Webull has stepped it up a notch. So now, if your friend makes the first deposit of $100 or more within the first 30 days of their account approval, you and your friend will receive another stock valued between $4 and $1,000. So this is a pretty big addition, guys. Instead of just getting one free stock when you have somebody sign up, now you have an opportunity to get 2 free stock. Now, if you have not signed up for a Webull account yet, guys, I will have a link down in my comments section. Feel free to use it. And then also, consider depositing the $100 within the first 30 days of your account being approved. Because then not only will I receive another stock, but you will as well, okay? And I really look at this as a response maybe to how M1 Finance has trying to up their referral program, and Webull is just simply trying to compete with them. But the real winner here, guys, is us, the consumers, the people using these accounts. We are the real winner here. And then when you visit the My Invite section in your Webull app, guys, you will find this new column here, and it will say deposit completed, okay? So this is just a reference to how many free stocks you have got, 4 people who've deposited the $100 in their first 30 days of having an approved account. And so as you can see, I've gotten 1 so far, but they just launched this, and so I look forward to getting many more, and I look forward to you all getting many more as well. And lastly, guys, I just want to show you how you can get your referral link, like I said, so you can start referring your friends and family and start collecting your free stocks. So just get back on this invite friends page right here. Then right in the center, guys, you're going to find this please copy this referral link tab. Just click on that and your referral link will be copied. Then my suggestion would be to open up a notepad in your phone, and right there you can paste your link in, and like I said, now you can pretty much use that link anywhere you want, on any platform you want. If people sign up off this link and, like I said, fund their account off of this link, you will receive 2 free stocks. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, with all the great ways and super easy ways to make easy money out there right now, like I said, I really suggest getting involved with this. Between Webull and M1 Finance, that is a really nice little passive income stream when you get people to sign up for these accounts, and of course getting people interested in investing. That's really the passion in my life. That was the whole motivation behind starting this YouTube channel, and it just keeps getting better all the time. And having these brokers competing with each other to keep getting better and better referral bonuses, we are the benefactors of that. And like I said, this is probably the best time in history to get involved in investing from a brokerage standpoint. Years ago, there wasn't zero commission brokers, and they gave you absolutely no incentive to sign up other than that you could be involved in the stock market. And now they are just throwing all this free stuff at you, just to sign up and get you interested in investing in the stock market. So, everybody should be taking an active part in the stock market. Of course, I love it. It's what I've done for 17 years now. And honestly, I just fall more in love with it every day. So I have not lost that passion. But that's all I got for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need help with anything or you have any further questions, drop a comment. Please drop a like on this video if you found it to be helpful. And thank you for watching.